Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vitamin B3 serum at home, easy method. Measure 1% niacinamide powder precisely, dissolve into 1 ounce distilled water, then add 1 teaspoon glycerin and a pinch of preservative. Stir until clear and transfer into a dark dropper bottle. Store in a cool place and start with 1 application every other day to monitor tolerance and results gently. In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin B3 serum at home, easy method. Start by measuring 1 gram niacinamide for a 1% solution in 100 milliliters of distilled water, then add 5 milliliters glycerin as a humectant and a drop of broad-spectrum preservative. Mix until fully dissolved and filter if needed. Label the bottle and keep it in a cool, dark place for best stability. In this video, I will review how to make vitamin B3 serum at home, easy method. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes mixing labs more fun with playlists and timers. It fits small spaces and sounds great while you work. If you like this tip, subscribe and like the video to support more straightforward guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to make vitamin B3 serum at home, easy method. After patch testing, apply 2 to 3 drops to clean skin and follow with sunscreen in the morning. If you experience redness or stinging, reduce frequency to every 3rd day and reassess. Store away from heat and label with date made, discarding after 3 months if no preservative was used to keep it safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.